Go do it again.
I'm good.
If it bites, that's right on the wrists. That's why I wear them. You never know if you walk into this job. A lot of people think I wear all this stuff just because it's a fashion statement. And they're right, partially. But it's also extremely functional. I mean, if you did my job fighting alligators and monster snakes,
she went in your bedroom, go in there with her.
Alright, good. 1, 2, 3. Get in there and grab the snake by the head. You gotta get control of the head, or the snake's gonna get control of you. The head's right here. I can see it. Oh my God, he's moving. Grab it, go. I saw my shot. I grabbed him. Oh, man, he's fighting. Oh, oh, oh. He gets in there. He gets a couple of hands on the snake. We had to get this snake outside to try to get control of it. He's so freaking heavy, dude. Oh, he's constricted. Oh. So he starts to wrap up around my arm. Every time I breathe or anything, he'd squeeze tighter. And these snakes are strong, man. They've been known to overpower grown men.
I want that level 40.
That's the balcony that comes, the one that I got.
I had that snake by the neck, and I was going to let him go. Oh, he's pissed off. Okay, we gotta finish. I'm gonna hold him, dude. He's gonna find him.
Where's she going?
He's got me.
Where did she go? She said, okay, bye.
So Dave got a container and we unwrapped the snake from my body by starting with the tail. When we got him off, we stuffed him into the container and shut the lid. We're gonna get the top on. Quick, quick, all right.
Get over there.
Quick. This is the biggest snake I've ever grabbed.
You know your grandma Retta plays this and you need to put her on there too. You're to see her house.